Hi friends, this is the sixth or the last part of which is usually a part of your ICSE economics syllabus, which is called consumer awareness. So let's see what all you need to study as part of consumer awareness. Again, see, these are very easy terms: consumer, buyer, awareness which is associated with the consumer. So under this we are going to study, which is a part of the syllabus, is consumer exploitation and consumer awareness. What is consumer exploitation? Okay, and when you have exploitation, how do you make consumers aware? So awareness, this we will study here, number one. And under this there are certain meanings which you have to study. You have to study what is meaning of consumer exploitation. What does this term mean? Then a brief understanding of the forms of consumer exploitation. You have to study forms of exploitation. Okay, reasons for exploitation of consumers in India. So again, from here there's another word, reasons. Why is consumer, why does consumer get exploited? This is very important to understand. A brief understanding of this and meaning of consumer awareness. Now when you have exploitation, we will also have to understand what is awareness. Okay, this part, number one. Number two under this section is consumer rights and duties. Now if there are rights, there are duties also, this we know. So consumer rights and duties. Okay, what are consumer rights and what are duties of a consumer? See, everything is changing, things are growing, economy is changing, so consumers are now also more aware about their rights than they used to be. So here you have to study a brief understanding of the above, like what is consumer right and what is consumer duties. Now here are certain terms I'm just mentioning, which we will go into detail when we go into the chapter. This is a brief video, so I'll just mention the terms. There's a term called COPRA. This you have to know. You have to know the meaning. Okay, and features. And there is a term RTI. Okay, this also you have to know under consumer rights and duties. Let's move on to the next part. Two more points which we have to know here, and very important, very significant for all of us here. The third part we are going to study here is food adulteration. Adulteration is, when you don't sell originals, you mix up. Food adulteration. Okay, this we have to know, and when you study this, we have to know what is food adulteration. Okay, meaning, and also you have to know the harmful effects. What happens? Of course, your health is going to get deteriorated after having adulterated food. The fourth part is technical and administrative measures for consumer protection. It says measures. Let me just put measures. It says technical and administrative. What are technical measures and what are administrative? Okay, measures for protecting consumers. Here also you have to understand, with this you need to also have an understanding of PDS. These are terms I'm just mentioning here. This is public distribution system. Okay, and Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. You also will come across something called AGMARK, 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 and ECOMARK. I'm just mentioning it here. ECOMARK, certain standards which you have to know about. Okay, ECOMARK. So this is what we are going to study under consumer awareness module of your ICSE syllabus. Just have a quick recall what all we have seen. Consumer awareness, what is consumer exploitation and forms of exploitation, what is awareness and the meaning of awareness. Consumer rights, rights and duties, what is COPRA, COPRA. We have another term here which is RTI. What is this? What is food adulteration, its meaning and harmful effects. Then what are the measures, technical measures and administrative measures which are taken for consumer protection. And then you will also read about these terms: PDS, public distribution system; BIS. You will also come across terms called AgMark and EcoMark. And this is all you have. With the other modules discussed earlier in earlier videos, this is what you have in consumer awareness in class 10 ICSE syllabus. If you like, please share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.